Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about reasoning. So let's start. The first and initial step is to clear your concept, okay? As you can see, these are the topics which comes under reasoning. You need to clear the concept of each topic. When compared to quant, the concept of reasoning is very simple. Reasoning is all about practice. You need to practice more to increase your speed so that you can do a maximum number of questions in less time. Okay, so when it comes to the topics, we have puzzle seating arrangement, which is of high weightage, and we have this miscellaneous part, which is the scoring part of reasoning, which mean that if you can do this part in less time, you will get more time to solve puzzle. Okay, there is no guarantee that we get the puzzle solved. So if you do these miscellaneous questions as fast as possible, you will get more time to do puzzles. So please keep that in your mind. And when it comes to puzzle, we have variable based puzzles. In case of seating arrangement, we have inside facing, outside facing seating arrangement also. So that's all about the topics. Let's come to the practice. The initial stage of the practice is a book and a PDF source. You must have a book or PDF source with you for practicing at the initial stage. That is, you need to do maximum number of questions from each topic from this book or PDF source. This is for clearing the concept. Okay, clearing the concept of each topic is very necessary, especially syllogism. Syllogism needs logic. Okay, so, for clearing the concept, it is very necessary that we must start our practice from a book or PDF source. We need to do maximum number of questions from each topic. For example, if I say you need to do 25 plus box puzzles, 25 plus floor puzzles, 25 plus questions from all these topics, that is very necessary. So, I will show the book which I used. This was the book which I used for reasoning, and I got this book from my institution. So this book contains topics from questions from each topic, and I practiced a lot from this book, and this has helped me a lot. So you must have these kind of books for clearing your concept. Then let's discuss about the other things. And the level 2 of your practice are quizzes. After completing or after doing maximum number of questions from my book or PDF source, you need to start doing quizzes. Okay, quizzes will help you to do the questions as fast as possible. And after doing quizzes, as a level 3, you can go for sectional mock for testing have you improved or not. Okay, and how to increase speed in puzzle, is there any trick? What are the good sources for quizzes? Let's discuss. So the only solution for increasing speed in puzzle is doing quizzes. You need to do quizzes consistently for increasing your speed. I will share some sources which are best for quizzes. Practice Mock, SmartKida, Ada, Guidely. These are best sources for quizzes. You can practice quizzes from there and do it regularly for improving your speed. Okay, so this is a very important instruction for you. That is, after doing at least 50 plus questions from each topic, you can start quizzes. With these 50 questions, it's sure that your concept will be clear. So after this stage, you must start doing quizzes. Okay, then I will share a schedule with you which you can follow daily to improve your speed. Okay, so this is the schedule. Do the quiz of a puzzle, a seating arrangement, syllogism, blood relation, inequality, direction, alphanumeric series, and coding decoding daily. This doing this daily will help you to improve your speed. Okay, so these are the miscellaneous part. You can do this miscellaneous part as a single quiz, especially in the practice mock. We have this miscellaneous part as a single quiz, and especially if you are a beginner, you need to do maximum 3 puzzle quizzes daily. Then only you will get a normal speed. a good speed. Okay, so that's all about the daily routine. Practice these things daily, practice these quizzes daily, include these in your daily routine to improve your speed. Reasoning is all about practice. You need to do a lot of quizzes for that. Okay, then I will show you the quiz of SmartKita. So here we can see this is SmartKita application. So in this the series section we will get quizzes. So I will show you the reasoning quiz. You can see there are a lot of topic based quizzes. Like I said, seating arrangement, alphanumeric series, coding, decoding, blood relation. So these quizzes will help you. So you can practice these puzzle quizzes. As you can see, there are a lot of questions. In this, lot of questions are available. So practice this daily for improving your speed. So that's all about SmartKit application. And now I would like to discuss about attempt strategy. What is the best attempt strategy for reasoning for increasing score? So this was the strategy which I used and actually it's working. It worked for me. I hope it will work for you also. When you start to attempt reasoning, start with miscellaneous questions, okay? Miscellaneous questions include syllogism, blood relation, inequalities. So these are the scoring part of reasoning, which mean that we can solve these questions in less time. These miscellaneous questions are easily doable, mostly. Sometimes, if the shift is difficult, they will make these questions little tricky. But in general, these topics are easy, comparatively easy. So try to solve miscellaneous questions at first, then go for puzzle. If you start with puzzle, what happen is that you will sit, the time will go, you will never know that the time is going. So it's waste of time actually. So after doing puzzle, after doing miscellaneous questions, if you go for puzzle now, you will get a lot of time for doing puzzle because these are the topics which you can do in less time. So if you have a great practice, you can solve these topics in less time. Okay, guys, that's all about the attempt strategy. Now, I would like to introduce my revision notes of reasoning for you. So, these were the notes which I prepared when I started my preparation, and in this, I frequently use syllogism, this part which needs some logic. So, I usually revise this part because I get confused sometimes. So these are my notes, and I will surely share this on my Telegram channel. So that's all about the video, guys. Practice a lot. Reasoning is all about practice. It has a very simple concept. So that's all about the video. Thanks for watching.